everyone, it's me, Nicole from Life as a Law Student, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you came over from my other video, so if that isn't the case for you, make sure you go check out that other one first because it's pretty relevant to what we're talking about here. Steve Schwartz, my friend and LSAT coach out from New York, is here with us again on the channel. He's been here before, and I'm sure that you all have really enjoyed the advice that he's been giving you on how to study for the LSAT, the changes that are coming to the LSAT. He's been a great resource to me in doing this channel and actually in my own LSAT study prep. So welcome back, Steve. I'm excited to officially announce what we've been working on.
Great to be with you, Nicole. Excited to show everyone what we've been up to.
If you saw the other video, you know that Steve and I are launching an LSAT course together, specifically for all of you, for my subscribers, my viewers. This is really exciting and special because Steve has been doing this for over a decade now and helping students succeed, which he'll talk about in just a second. But I really wanted to partner up with him and create a resource that was going to include the things that I was concerned about when I was studying for the LSAT and the things that I've heard from you that you guys are concerned about when you're studying for the LSAT. I, as you know, am really passionate about providing all of you with the tools and wisdom I've gained, as long as the tools that I wish I would have had when I was studying for the LSAT, and this definitely falls in that category. Steve, I would love if you would go into why preparing for the LSAT is important and specifically how an LSAT coach in particular can help out with that process.
Yeah, sure, Nicole. So as for why the LSAT's important, I mean, it's the #1 determining factor in your law school admissions success. Law school admissions is much more numbers driven than undergrad is. For law school admissions specifically, you have the LSAT, then your GPA, then everything else. And your GPA you earn over the course of 3 to 5 years in undergrad, but your LSAT score weighs more heavily and you earn it in a single day or a couple of days if you retake it. And so studying for it for 5 to 6 months is not unreasonable in that context. Now, you could go it alone. I've spent my entire career of nearly 15 years creating free and low-cost LSAT self-study materials, whether they're guides, cheat sheets, checklists, explanations, study plans, and so on. But I wanted to do more. And so about 7 or 8 years ago, I created LSAT courses, but they were basically just on demand at your own pace, which is helpful. But I find that students really benefit from that personal interaction, getting to ask your questions. And there's a certain energy that comes from having something live. So my courses now involve the option to attend live online classes with me, typically at least 3 to 4 per month, so you can attend and get your questions answered, and of course, catch the recordings later as well.
It sounds like your courses have really evolved since that started being something that you've been doing. How have they evolved up to this point now with our partnership on the course?
Well, now what I'm doing is, Nicole, is of course, you're actually including some of the lesson videos, which I'm really excited about. But the biggest change now is that students can attend class live with me, ask their personal questions, and get them answered on the spot. And if you can't make it, you can always email in your questions, and I'll do my best to cover them in class as well. I'm also featuring Q&As. I'm also bringing in guest experts on law school admissions and law school prep. Really, what I wanted to do is just give students a chance to ask their questions, not watch some static video that was recorded 5 or 6 years ago, because the LSAT does change, it does evolve, and I've reorganized everything in 2019 specifically for the new coming digital LSAT. And so that's one of the biggest changes that have come in the courses. And so I think really honestly, this year is going to be a make or break for everyone in the LSAT prep industry. Are they adapting to the digital LSAT or not? And personally, I am. I've redone everything for the digital LSAT, and I'm actually walking through a lot of questions you can see on the LSAT familiarization website at familiar.lsac.org, going through these practice problems, showing you what the questions are like so you can attempt them for yourself and really see what you'll be dealing with on LSAT test day.
Steve, I'm so excited about this course because, like I said, I'm all about providing tools and resources for people. It's interactive, it's affordable, it's created with your needs in mind, and it's super personal. I've been very invested in the creation of some of these videos. As Steve has said, I'm going to be featured in a couple of them. So I really hope to see you guys there. If LSAT coaching is something you're interested in pursuing, you want to see what those options are for the courses that we created, All you have to do is go down in the description below. I have also launched a website landing page. You can go on that. You can see more about the courses and sign up there. Please just go down, check it out. There's obviously no commitment to just read more about it and see if this is a good option for you.
Yeah, I don't want to push anyone to buy anything. You could also start off with using the free resources. Go through the free resources and try it out on your own. And then if you decide that you're looking for the next level and you're looking for that personal interaction or something more comprehensive and neatly organized, then you might want to consider the courses. What I've really tried to do, especially with the live online aspect of the courses, is make getting the benefits, at least some of the benefits of LSAT coaching more accessible, rather than paying one big package of thousands of dollars. You're paying for a much lower monthly fee, and you're getting the chance to ask your questions and get them answered. So at least you're getting some of the benefits of the coaching without the big price tag. If not, of course, you're always welcome to watch our YouTube videos and such and get your questions answered there.
This is something I wouldn't be presenting to you if it wasn't something I really thought would be valuable to at least some of you looking for this direction. So one more time, make sure you go in the link below, just check it out. And if it's not for you, that's okay. I'll see you next Monday. And if it is, I'm really excited to hear the success stories, what you've been getting out of the course. And again, more questions that you have about the LSAT. We are definitely going to continue talking about that here. And Steve, as he mentioned, has plenty of resources that are free that I used to succeed on my LSAT journey. So definitely check those out as well. They will be in the description below too. Steve, thank you so much. And hopefully I'll see all of you over there. But until then, God bless. And bye, Steve. Thank you.
Thanks, Nicole. Bye.